Good afternoon, everyone. I wanted to show you how to do your math assignment, your morning math assignment for today. It is August morning math, day 3. It's a fast facts page. The directions on the actual paper say set a timer for 1 minute. How many facts can you answer correctly in 1 minute? Write your score here. So there are 20 problems. And it says, help Taco, which is the little dog, help Taco find his ball, color all the squares with an even sum. So I have changed these directions just slightly. You do not have to set a timer for this page. What I just want you to do is go through, use your fingers, use objects at home to help you count these sums. Now remember, a sum, S-U-M, is the answer to an addition problem. So when you open up this page, I know it doesn't look like that you can type on it, but if I hover over underneath each problem, do you see that my cursor changes into like a double-sided arrow, like a plus sign? So when it does that, I'm just going to click one time. And when I click, my text box appears. Now you can see right now I don't have a typing cursor in the text box. So I'm just going to double click in that text box. So just click, click real quick, and then my cursor appears. This thing is called a cursor. So whenever I have that blinking, that means that I can now type something in that little text box. Now, if you don't have enough room on any text box that pops up into any assignment, you can adjust the size of the text box to fit your needs. It doesn't have to stay that specific size. Now, you notice whenever I did that, that's where it's showing you where all the other text boxes are, like how they're kind of lined up. And it just does that because if you wanted to line up the text boxes just to make things look more organized, that's what those are there for. So then you just double click in again. There's my blinking cursor. And so now I have 1 plus 4. I have 5. And so then I can move on to my next problem, click again. Now I don't see my cursor, so now I need to double click again. And then once I see my blinking cursor, then I can type my answer. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out. Bye, guys.